If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press all bell icon. Then only you will get notification for all my upcoming and interesting videos. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I covered the edges of the cardboard using masking tape. Here goes a paste of wallputty and fevicol. Applied uniformly everywhere over the cardboard. Once the first coat is completely dry, here goes the second coat. I am trying to create some beautiful texture. I am slightly touching with a blade to create some beautiful texture. Using a scale, I am drawing straight lines. See the beautiful texture. Now I am applying black acrylic paint. To highlight the texture, using a dry brush, I am applying white acrylic paint. Wow, I like this texture very much. Now here goes white glue to the wallputty. This is starch water, or it is called rice water. Instead of adding water to the wallputty, you can use this starch water, which makes the clay more strong and smooth. As you knead the clay well, it becomes more soft. Apply fevicol before wallputty goes to the board. Create some texture of your choice using a toothpick or any sharp material. Drawing two concentric circles here. This leaf has so beautiful veins and deep textures. Before it goes to the board, I am applying fevicol. See, the imprints of the leaves are so detailed and beautiful. Again to the wallputty, a little starch water, white glue. Mix everything well until we get correct consistency of the texture paste or sculpture paste, it is called. Adding a little acrylic paint. Acrylic paint has rich pigmentation when compared to watercolors and poster colors. Add little wallputty until we get this consistency. Scrap the paste flat over the board From one end, scrap the palette knife and even to the on the other end. Try to make the tip as sharp. Wow, this is perfect. Texture painting needs more practice and more patience. Clean the palette knife every time. Texture this condenses, add little fevicol and mix it well. To make a perfect sculpture painting, it needs a lot of practice and patience. Hope you like this video. If you like it, kindly subscribe and support my channel. Thanks for watching.